So it looks like it's wrapped up quite well. We have the front light. Let's turn it on. I won't shine it at the camera because it'll blind it. Okay, that looks fairly bright. And if you press it a second time, it goes down in brightness. Press it again, and it goes down again. It's probably down to about half on the second push of the button. If you press it again, you got the flashing light. Press it again and it's off. So that's not too bad. It doesn't have lots and lots of sequences, so you don't get annoyed that it takes ages trying to turn it off. We've got the backlight. Let's press it again. There's a button on the side here that I'm pressing. Press it again. Got this nice little sequence of flashes. Press it again. I've got this one here. Press it again. We've got this. Ooh, that looks nice. Press it again and it's on continuously. And press it again and it's off. Now it does come with the brackets to fit on your bike. The one thing I found, the brackets that came with it, it's just one angle. So if you put it on the back of your saddle or on the bottom, on the stem of the saddle, you'll find that it's sticking down slightly. That's not too much of a problem because it's still a very bright light, and therefore it shouldn't be a problem. But just bear that in mind, that it actually slopes down slightly when you put it on the seat stem. And the front one, exactly the same. You put it onto the handlebars. At least I put mine on my handlebars, and it does have a little cover here that I haven't taken off yet. Plastic cover to protect the plastic. Glass plastic. Now it does come with the connections to charge up. They are chargeable batteries inside, so you can charge it up. So 430 hours. That doesn't look right actually. Probably more likely 43 hours. Breathing flash 17 hours. Alternating flash, it says 110 hours. I don't believe that. I charge it at least every week then. Now this is the cable it came with. There's no charger itself. You need something like this to charge it. And you've got two there that you can use. One obviously for both lights. Now an important part here is that if it's a standard batteries, they seem to slowly go dim. But if it's a rechargeable, it does seem, on the other ones I've got, is that it works perfectly right and then it suddenly goes off. So bear that in mind, that it's best just to get it charged, use it for several hours and then charge it. Use it again for several hours and charge it. That way you're pretty sure you're not going to be caught out. Now just a final one, it's here. It's a standard, I think a C connector. Not sure exactly what it's called, but there it is there. That are mostly standard these days. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next chapter.